Lahat ng to, these were just dreams. It was just a vision way back years ago. Na sana one day, magkaroon kayo tayo ng international na event. Ang kagandahan, Dubai pa ang nauna. AGG OBA here in Dubai! Woo! Alright, hello everyone. Today, another history unfolds kasi nandito kami ngayon sa Dubai. This is our first time nagaganapin to. Kahapon, nagkaroon tayo ng Module 7 and today, this is our gala night here in Night Castle together with our dear OFWs na nagpa-part-time sa ating community, ang Online Business Academy. Tara, samahan nyo kami.
Wow, this is OBA Gala Night. We can't wait to see you tonight and we are very excited. See you and next time, dapat kasama ka na namin.
Let's honor and welcome the Hall of Famer of AGG and the founder and president of Online Business Academy, no other than the president himself, Coach Albert Jasma.
Habang tinitingnan ko kayo kanina, you all look absolutely stunning tonight. Through this platform, I know it will give us hope. It will give us another chance to give a brighter future para sa pamilya natin. Alright? Para tayo mismo, so that you will no longer have to miss anniversaries, graduations, birthdays, so that you will be present. Not just through video call, but in real life. Para ma-realize nating lahat that success should no longer require distance. Na pwede pala tayong kumita na kasama yung pamilya natin. And that's the goal of Online Business Academy.
Alam ko, lahat tayo dito, busy kayo sa trabaho. Pero ito lang masabi ko sa inyo. Kapag sineryoso nyo talaga to, kapag ibibigay mo talaga yung best mo dito, guys, ulitin ko, lahat kayo dito pwedeng magpurgod at kumita ng milyon-milyon dito sa Online Business Academy.
Every accomplishment starts with a decision to try. Isa lang din po ako o kami mag-asawa na nag-try sa opportunity na ito.
Online Business Academy, the AGG, especially yung community natin, the OBA, it was built for one mission. And that mission is to help other people become successful.
Kailangan magbago ka ng kaisipan, ng prinsipyo, ng kaalaman, ng pagpapractice mo araw-araw. Kung ginagawa mo ang OBA before 3 times a week, gawin mo 4 times a week. Kung kaya mo gawing full-time, gawin mo full-time. Walang masama.
Dapat mas tutukan ang mga OFW na magkakaroon ng extra income. Yung tipong 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, maririnig namin ang kwento mo na ako si Juan, ako si Pedro, ako si Maria, dating OFW, nakauwi for good sa Pilipinas dahil sa Online Business Academy.
Isa lang din ako sa mga nakaupo dyan, nakikinig sa mga trainings, nakikinig sa mga success stories ng mga nasa stage. And sinabi ko sa sarili ko na one day, in the right time, in the right place, in the right opportunity, ako naman ang mag-share ng aking success story.
And tonight, it is a reminder that you are not alone. It is a reminder that you have community, that you have a family, that we have the best system, the Online Business Academy. And tonight, most importantly, it is a reminder that you have the choice to rewrite your story. man kami personally maka-witness sa mga paghihirap nyo dito sa Dubai at hindi man ako makarelate. Si Coach Jomen maybe makarelate. Pero for sure, guys, my spirit is with you. Kasama niyo ako sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap niyo.